Okay? Here's Gus coming through the barn. He doesn't care. It's a narrow place with a turn in it. I suppose he's going to go to the bathroom for us too.
Yeah, I gotta shut that gate. Well, they can't get him.
Okay, let's go ahead and walk up to where we're going to saddle him and all.
Take him out on the road?
Sure, let's take him out on the road.
Here you go. Gus, that's hot in there.
I know you'd asked about how he does with traffic, and he doesn't care about traffic at all. And here he is, just going out onto the road so we can go down to where we can saddle and all. And as you see, we did take him away from all the other horses, so when I said he won't ride by himself, it's not like he won't go and do anything else that you ask. He just doesn't go off the property on his own. And here's our hitching post. Okay, I'm going to shut it off while we get the saddle and everything to pick and all that. So I'll turn it back on in a couple minutes.